Mechanistic Materialism by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Mechanistic materialism is a philosophical perspective that has had a profound impact on the way we understand the natural world and the universe. This perspective asserts that the fundamental constituents of the universe are material entities governed by deterministic laws of nature. Blavatsky's Theosophy and Mechanistic Materialism are two contrasting philosophical frameworks that offer different perspectives on the nature of reality. Blavatsky's Theosophy emphasizes the existence of spiritual dimensions beyond the material world. It posits that there is a hidden reality accessible through esoteric knowledge and mystical practices. On the other hand, Mechanistic materialism is rooted in scientific principles and focuses on understanding reality through observable and measurable phenomena. It argues that all phenomena can be explained by physical laws and that there is no need to invoke supernatural or spiritual explanations. While Blavatsky's Theosophy seeks to transcend the limitations of materialism, Mechanistic materialism provides a systematic approach to understanding the natural world based on empirical evidence. The roots of mechanistic materialism can be traced back to ancient Greek philosophy, particularly the atomism of Leucippus and Democritus. These early thinkers proposed that the universe is composed of indivisible and unchangeable atoms moving in an infinite void. This mechanistic view of nature laid the groundwork for the later development of materialist philosophy. During the scientific revolution of the 16th and 17th centuries, the mechanistic worldview gained prominence with the work of thinkers such as René Descartes (1596 to 1650), Thomas Hobbes (1588 to 1679), and Pierre Gassendi (1592 to 1655). Descartes, in his seminal work Principles of Philosophy, proposed a mechanistic model of the universe based on the interaction of material particles governed by mathematical laws. Hobbes, in his work Leviathan, also advocated for a materialist view of the universe, asserting that all phenomena, including human thought and behaviour, could be explained in terms of the mechanical interactions of material entities. The rise of modern science in the 17th and 18th centuries further solidified the influence of mechanistic materialism. The work of Isaac Newton, 1643 to 1727, with his laws of motion and universal gravitation, provided a mechanistic framework for understanding the behaviour of physical bodies in the universe. This period also saw the emergence of the mechanical philosophy, which sought to explain natural phenomena in terms of mechanical processes. Mechanistic materialism is founded on several key concepts that shape its philosophical framework. Central to this perspective is the idea that the universe is composed of material entities such as atoms or particles, whose interactions are governed by deterministic laws. This implies that all natural phenomena, including the behaviour of living organisms and the functioning of the human mind, can ultimately be explained in terms of material causes and mechanical processes. Another key concept of mechanistic materialism is reductionism, which holds that complex phenomena can be understood by reducing them to their constituent parts and the interaction between those parts. This reductionist approach has been influential in shaping scientific inquiry, particularly in fields such as physics, chemistry, and biology. In addition, mechanistic materialism emphasizes the importance of causality and determinism in understanding the natural world. According to this perspective, every event has a specific cause, and the future state of the universe is determined by the present state and the laws governing its evolution. This deterministic view of nature has profound implications for our understanding of free will, consciousness, and the predictability of natural phenomena. The influence of mechanistic materialism on scientific thought has been profound, shaping the development of modern science and our understanding of the natural world. This mechanistic worldview provided the philosophical underpinnings for the rise of classical physics, which sought to explain the behaviour of physical bodies in terms of mechanical interactions governed by mathematical laws. The success of Newtonian mechanics in describing the motion of celestial bodies and the behaviour of physical systems further reinforced the influence of mechanistic materialism. This success led to the widespread adoption of a mechanistic worldview among scientists and philosophers, who sought to explain diverse phenomena from the behaviour of gases to the functioning of living organisms in terms of mechanical processes. The influence of mechanistic materialism extended beyond the physical sciences to biology, where it shaped the development of the mechanistic view of life. This perspective, exemplified by the work of biologists such as Claude Bernard, 1813 to 1878, and Jacques Loeb, 1859 to 1924, sought to explain the phenomena of life in terms of the mechanical interactions of cells and organisms, laying the groundwork for the rise of molecular and cellular biology. Furthermore, mechanistic materialism raises questions about the nature of free will and determinism, challenging our intuitive notions of agency and choice. According to this perspective, human behaviour and decision-making can be ultimately understood as the outcome of deterministic processes operating at the level of the brain and nervous system. Moreover, mechanistic materialism has implications for our understanding of the limits of scientific knowledge and the nature of explanation. The reductionist approach inherent in this perspective suggests that complex phenomena such as consciousness or the emergence of life can in principle be explained in terms of the interactions of simpler components. However, this raises questions about the adequacy of reductionist explanations and the possibility of emergent phenomena that cannot be fully captured by a mechanistic framework. To sum up, mechanistic materialism has played a central role in shaping our understanding of the natural world and the universe. This perspective, with its emphasis on material causes, deterministic processes, and reductionist explanations, has influenced scientific thought and our philosophical outlook on reality. While mechanistic materialism has provided a powerful framework for understanding the natural world, it also raises profound questions about the nature of consciousness, free will, and the limits of scientific explanation.